Okay, guys, so I've heard some people that are having trouble when they get their touchstone delivery, and then they say there was not a dropper for the PB zeolite. So this is a box. My box is, this is a box of green juice, super green juice, PBX zeolite, and PB zeolite. All three things in one box. And they're real careful to wrap it very nicely because they want to be eco-friendly, so to say. So now the box is empty, so I can get the box out of the way. And you want to be real careful when you open this up because the dropper for the pure body, for the PB, is separate from the bottle. So when I open this up, okay, there you go. So you'll see there's my pure body, right? And this is the dropper for the pure body. And then you'll take the cap off. You can throw the cap away and then you put this on and you use that for your pure body. And then of course, here's my pure body extra. And there's my super green juice. Okay, so just be careful because sometimes people don't notice that the dropper is separate and it gets maybe hidden in the paper and then it gets thrown away by accident. All right, so that's it. Anyway, I hope everyone is enjoying their products and that they're helping them heal. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you, and I hope you subscribe. See you again soon. Take care.